Welcome to Aussie Nomad Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Bec, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country. For notifications, click subscribe and hit the bell, and that will keep you up to date. So we're in Emu Park this week, about 19 kilometres south of Yeppoon on the Capricorn Coast. It's a cute little village and we are just going to show you what it has to offer. Emu Park is a 30-minute drive from Rockhampton or a 15-minute drive south of Yeppoon. It's a pretty laid-back little coastal town with a lot to offer. Arriving at sunrise in the middle of July with strong winds isn't ideal. However, the whole area is so amazing, it didn't really matter. I toddled my way down to the top end of the Anzac Memorial, just in time to watch the sun come up. It was beautiful. There's a couple of plaques along the edge of the boardwalk that identify all the islands off the coast. The boardwalk gives a great view out over the bay to the islands. The Singing Ship itself was designed by Peggy Westmoreland and manufactured from steel and concrete by Steve Kele. The 40-foot high structure represents Captain Cook's ship, the Endeavour, and was created in 1970 to mark the bicentennial of Captain Cook's discovery of the bay in 1770. This unique design allows for the gentle breezes to pass through the fluted pipes to produce musical sounds that will long be remembered. It was singing its head off the morning we were there. It was pretty cool. You'll find it in Emu Park on the headlands just east of the main street. Emu Park Centenary of the Anzac Walk is a unique boardwalk that wraps around the headlands with amazing views over Keppel Bay. The coastal boardwalk winds its way up the beachfront from the central sandstone picture graft and the RSL up towards the Gatehouse. The Gatehouse is a moving floor-to-ceiling memorial of the First World War in storyboards. If you wander up further, you'll pass silhouettes and battle markers towards the stunning coastal lookout that then wraps around and ends up at the Singing Ship. You will notice these little steel emus all round town, and if you scan the code on Eric the Emu or one of his 20-strong family members, you can follow the history trail around Emu Park. Each emu has its own history board attached. The beachfront park, Kerr Park, is next level, with its barbecues, undercover picnic tables, walking paths, and fully covered playground, dog watering bowls and taps and fountains, outdoor showers, and a wheelchair ramp that runs all the way down to the beach. There's also a flying fox and artwork. And wait till you see the 5 cute emus and the comical toilet block. You'll also find the surf club on this beachfront park. And across the road is the Pine Beach Hotel, also known to the locals as the Piney. At the base of the Singing Ship, you will find Emu Park's old jetty, built in 1924. Take a stroll along that at high tide and see if you can spot a stingray or a couple of fish, or throw a line in and try your luck. Adjacent to the jetty, you'll find a boat ramp for beach launching. A little further up Hill Street is Bell Park. You'll find a skate park that'll keep the kids happy while you're fishing. The markets are also held in Bell Park on the 3rd Sunday of each month. It's a beautiful park with the skate park for the kids, its massive almond trees, and in the area these will turn red in late winter, early spring. The whole ground gets covered in red. So if you're turning up at that time of the year, don't forget to check it out. Across the road, if you're looking for coffee or brekkie, is Jolt Cafe and Drake Supermarket. Next to Bell Park is the Don Island swimming pool, and there are also tennis courts there for hire. Across the road is Ocean Brew Cafe, with the best coffee and food in Emu Park. Don't miss it. Around the corner in the main street is the Art Gallery, showcasing some of the local talent. The Art Gallery is open from Wednesday to Sunday. If you're looking for a place to do those early morning stair climbs, Amoria Avenue is the go. If the other half is bored, drop him in here for a chat and good fun. There is also a beach launching boat ramp at Zilzie Beach, as well as this beach is a great morning walk. South of Emu Park at Zilzie is Coorooman Creek, with dual boat ramps, heaps of parking and access to some great crabs and fish if you're a good hunter. Fisherman Beach Caravan Park is right on the beachfront. It's super busy at this time of the year with all the southerners up for winter. If you want to stay, best you book early. So that's us for this week. Keep in contact, stay happy, and we'll see you next week.